This is a 2014 to 2019 Kia Soul. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Louis on Automotive for letting us use the car today. They have a full service auto repair shop in Toronto, Canada, and they also have a YouTube channel. Check them out for engaging automotive content and car buying advice. Check the link in description. Now let's go ahead and first open up the lift gate. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver for this job. One that looks like this, a thicker Phillips head screwdriver. This one says PH2 number 2 on it. So get a Phillips head screwdriver like this because first we need to get the light out, and the light is held in place by 4 screws over there which have a Phillips head on it. Now get the screwdriver and push it down and then twist it left. Push it down and then twist it left so that way you don't end up stripping the screw when you're taking it off. Right? So take all the 4 screws out, keep them somewhere safe. Now pull the light out at an angle, like not straight back first, just first pull it out at an angle like that. Not straight back. Okay? Pull it out at an angle. Once it's kind of loose, now you can sort of just pull it back straight, like towards the rear of the car. That's it. Pull it back and it'll come right out. And that's it. Now I'm going to show you a different angle of the same process. There are 3 alignment pins over there. That's what keeps it from just falling off. Once the light is off, there's one electrical connector, that one over there. Press it down and pull it out. That's the only thing that holds the light now. Now we have the entire light out. That's the turn signal bulb, that's the reverse light bulb. Now that gray bulb holder, that's the one. But before we take it out, let's get this wire out of the way. So just pull it out from there. Okay, now we have some wiggle room. Grab the bulb holder, twist it left, and now it's loose. It should just come right out. And there it is. In order to get the bulb off, just push it down, twist it left. So push it down, twist it left, and there it is. That's the bulb. Let's take a closer look at it. It's simple single filament bulb. The bulb size number is right there on it, 1156. It says it right there, 1156. That's what you need to grab the new 1156 bulb, and then we'll just put the bulb back in the bulb holder. Drops in straight, push it down, twist it right, and that's it. Now let's put the bulb holder back in the light. You see that tab over there which is slightly bigger. That slightly bigger tab aligns with the slightly bigger slot in the light. Align it that way and then put the bulb holder in. Because if it's not aligned, then you're going to spend a few seconds trying to wiggle it. And it just saves you a few seconds if you align it. And once you do, it drops in like that. Once it's dropped in, twist it right and it locks. And now we can put the light back in. Before we do that, let's just tuck that wire back in. That is good. First put the electrical connector back on. It just goes on one way. Click it. We'll have to spend a few seconds to make sure it's aligned. There's 3 black pins. They need to align with the 3 white guides. Align it over there. Push it in. Once it's aligned like that, now push it. Give it more of a push. Okay, that's it. The light is now in place. Let's put those 4 screws on. Just put them on. Don't tighten them down completely. Just put them on. Make sure it's all aligned. Then do the final tightening. And that's pretty much it. Yeah, you're done. See how easy it was? Hope you found the video useful.